How to turn off screen mirroring on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. On this page, scroll down and go to AirPlay and Continuity. Here, you can choose how your iPhone interacts with other devices for AirPlay and other continuity features. You can set AirPlay to automatically stream to devices you regularly use, or choose to manually select devices. Continuity features allow your iPhone to work seamlessly with your other Apple devices. Over here, go to Automatically AirPlay at the top. Then, select Never. You have now turned off this option. iPhone will no longer be able to automatically AirPlay, connect to nearby speakers and TVs when playing content from apps you regularly use with AirPlay. Following these steps, you can easily turn off screen mirroring on iPhone.